Greetings. In these changing times of the pandemic, thanks to the generosity of Facebook and WhatsApp donors to my January birthday fundraiser, Wappy was able to shift its family-centred creative mindfully collaborative event with Ealing Libraries and the Art of Mindfulness to its online offering Lockdown Life, as well as launch our Don't Worry, Be Happy Creative Expressions contest. With Benjamin Zafaniah's endorsement too, inspired the most amazing artwork and poetry, and led to several works being included in a charity ebook, Rethinking the Rainbow, co-created by Samantha Mayer and Emily Madge Payne. Our contributors' ages range between 3 to 16 years, and their work explored feelings of being locked down, of losing a loved one, saving the NHS, staying germ-free, remaining positive, hopeful and continually creative despite being unable to sit GCSEs, and observing the 2 meters distancing rule.
Hi, I'm Christian, 13 years old, and this is my poem, 2 meters. Where have you come from, and why are you here? Why did you mess up the brand new year? You're making a mess and injecting the fear. We're 6 weeks in and it feels like a year. Why can't you see it's becoming so clear that nobody really wants you here? Now it was only in December singing carols and doing present rapping. Now I'm stuck in the yard, my mum always yapping. Leave the house for the groceries, please wait in the line. If you cover up your face then it will all be fine. You coughing? Please move for me, brother. It's not about the race and it's not about the colour. I'm just trying to stay alive and see this thing through. It's not just me, cause I'm sure it's you too. If I tell you move back, it's nothing personal, G. I'm just trying to stay safe, so move it back a few feet. You coughing? Please move for me, brother. It's not about the race and it's not about the colour. You coughing? Please move for me, brother. It's not about the race and it's not about the colour. Where have you come from and why are you here? Why did you mess up the brand new year? You're making a mess and injecting the fear. We're 6 weeks in and it feels like a year. Why can't you see it's becoming so clear that nobody really wants you here?
Our online Zoom sessions, Lockdown Live, co-facilitated with May Whyte and Akuba for secondary school age and primary school age children, have included a session commemorating the Windrush, where our youngsters made these amazing boats helped by actress Renee Stevenson, and invited elders Esther Aka, former nurse and midwife from Ghana, and Ethelka Brand, OBE, chair of Donna Dominica, shared their Windrush stories to the Wappy collective of the games they played back home in Africa and in the Caribbean, and what life was like here when they first migrated to England from the 1950s and beyond. Passing the Time through Rhythm and Rhyme was developed as part of a community initiative earlier this year when Wappy, in collaboration with Ealing Council, Communities Empowerment Network and Ocean Training, won funding to create workshops that acknowledge and celebrate the significant impact and achievements the Windrush generation has made to the Ealing Borough and beyond. The grant was applied for as part of Ealing's Learning Partnership No Learner Left Behind. We look forward to resuming these workshops when children go back to school. Another recent highlight was when SBTV founder and entrepreneur, our very own Acton-based Jamal Edwards, visited Lockdown Live to be interviewed by our youngsters for Ealing Community Speaks Black Lives Matter event. Whatever the theme of our lockdown sessions, whether to do with young people who have helped bring about change in the world through all forms of activism, whether it's to do with wearing face masks, creating face masks, appreciating the history of clothing over 100 years, or producing logos and inspirational quotes for t-shirts and postcards, or focusing on science and the brain and the mind, We have mindfulness expert May Whyte, who will always offer breathing and meditation to help support our youngsters and families during the lockdown. So bringing you back to the present, friends and families, we are running a quiz night on the 22nd of August from 6:30 to 8:30, and we appeal for your funds to contribute towards volunteer expenses, both for the quiz night and also ongoing lockdown live sessions, which we've given you a taster of. So we do hope you will join us at the quiz night and donate generously. We're grateful to our judges, Tamsin Durston and Phil McMullen, and also Ealing Libraries, who are contributing a round of 8 questions on a Ealing related theme. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you on the 22nd of August. In these changing times of COVID-19, we want to keep our spirits high. Thank you very much.